Hello, students. Hi. Now let us look at the question here. The sum of three consecutive even integers is minus 24. Okay. Find the integers. Now here I just want to share you the rule. What is the rule here? See, consecutive, even or odd. Sometimes it is given even or sometimes it is given odd. You have to use the same rule n plus 2, n plus 4 and n plus 6. Remember this one. Consecutive even or consecutive odd integers, you use the rule n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 2, n plus 4, n plus 6 and on so on. All right, remember this. Now here we have to find the sum of the three consecutive even integer is minus 24. Find the integers. Okay. Sum. What do you mean by the word sum here? Sum meaning it is plus. Okay. Consecutive integers. What is there? I just told you it is even consecutive integers is 24. So even consecutive integers be, let n plus 2, n plus 4 be even consecutive integers. Okay. So now it is given sum. Sum yani you have to add them. n plus 2 plus n plus 4 will be equals to minus 24. Okay. So now here it is. You how many n's you have? 1, 2, and then 3. It is 3n plus here 2 plus 4 gives you 6 equal minus 24. So 3n equal minus 24 plus 6 goes to the another side. It will become minus 6. So 3n equal minus 30. All right. So now I need only n. Sorry. I need only n. So 3n over 3 equal minus 30 over 3. 3, 10. So n equal minus 10. Right? So now what we have to do, we have to find the integers. So what are the integers we have chosen? n plus 2, n plus 4. Yani just replace n by minus 10. So minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So what are the three consecutive integers we have got? Minus 10, minus 8 and minus 6. Even integers. Okay, students? So just do remember the rule. If it is given even or odd, you go with the rule n plus 2, n plus 4. And some meaning you add them and then you take the values and you find the values and you just replace it. Okay. Now let us see the another question. Let me write the question here. To find the height of the tree, Ahmed walks to a point 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet from the base of the tree, he measures an angle of 60 degrees between a line of sight to the top of the tree and the ground find the height of the tree. Okay, students. Now here you just remember, you have to be careful with the question what it is given. To find the height of the tree, Ahmed walks. Okay, see, there is a tree, right? There is a tree. All right? There is a tree. Okay. So now Ahmed walks 12 points feet from the base of the tree. Okay, from the base of the tree. 12 feet from the base of the tree. Okay. Then he measures an angle to the top of the tree. He measures an angle to the top of the tree is, to the top of the tree is 60 degrees. Okay, this is how you visualize the figure. Now, if you draw the figure and what is asked, what is asked, you have to find the height of the tree. You have to find the height of the tree. This you need to find. Understand? So how we are going to do is, this is your figure. Okay, this is your figure 12 feet. Then this is 60. And this is your height. This you need to find out. Now here we know that what is the sign? So what is needed here? What is that? This is nothing but opposite. Okay, this is your adjacent and this is your hypotenuse. Okay, so what we need to use here is we need opposite. We need opposite and we have adjacent. That meaning what we are going to use here, we are going to use the tan. So tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Okay, so now here tan 60, the angle which is given, opposite is your height and the adjacent is your 12 feet. So here sometimes the students, they always give the question like here tan 60. Tan 60 will be what? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So now here we know that root 3 will be equals to h by 12. So what is the height here? 12 root 3. Okay, so the question is given in the feet, so we will also write the feet. So what is the answer we have got? The height of the tree is, which we have got is 12 root 3. Understand? So this is how you solve it. What is given, try to understand the question, first figure it out and then you can write. Okay, then see you. Thank you.